Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. In this episode of Your Prep for Today, I'm hitting extracts again. Yes, it hasn't even been a week since I talked about root beer extracts, but this time I'll talk to you about orange extracts. There's a lot of recipes that call for orange extracts, believe it or not. They also list other variants of stuff. How about using orange zest and orange peel stuff and orange juice. But if it's in the middle of the winter and you don't have any oranges, or if your trees are, if you're in northern states like up here in Idaho, where any orange trees have to be put away for the winter and kept in a garage or a shop where they won't freeze, they're not producing the oranges for you. So you need to have some orange extract put away in the cabinets over here for you to be able to do the recipes you need to do to keep everybody happy. All right? So orange extract, it's not that expensive. Get a couple bottles. Get a couple small bottles. Because if you get the small bottles, you're not going to be cracking it open and having it go bad. And you get small bottles, you can keep them, they'll stay practically forever. All right? So before I take off, I'm going to put a link up here to my other channel, Family Compound. Got a lot of gardening information over there for preppers. Got a lot of emergency preparedness videos over there. I'll put that link right up here. Then I'm going to put a link to a playlist up here that'll help you gain more information and also provide a good spot for you to share with your friends and neighbors to help them get prepared too. All right? So take care.